SSC cadets of Sunbeam School to have such a fantastic director who has taken so much of pains for arranging this workshop, a session for your SSB coaching. The coaching institute which has come and has extended its services to your place is by all his efforts, and also I would also like to thank on behalf of NCC as well as Sunbeam School Colonel Malik, who has taken initiative along with Colonel Arun to bring this team to you all. To prepare himself or herself. So that is why this SSP coaching is also very, very important. I will not take much of your time because the most valuable time is for now Prashant sir, who will be taking the purpose of